Welcome friends in our SSIS tutorial. So in this section we are focused on the variables part. So variables are very extremely important in a package and they are widely used in a package. So variable is a named object that may be contain one or more values uh, that can be referred by various SSIS components throughout the package execution. So in SSIS we have an option to configure a value and we can change or update the value as per the business requirement. So if we are talking about variables, so in SSIS we have two types of variables. Number one is system generated variables. They are automatically generate whenever we are going to create any package, then they will generate. And another one is a user defined variables. So how are we going to play with variables in this section? So just right click on your package window and you can see a variable window is open here. Okay, now you can see here first that is when we want to create a variable, then this is the option over here. The next option is to movement. If you want to delete any variable, then we can delete it, and you can see this is the variable grid option. There is a filter, so by default sort system variables is unchecked, so variables of all scopes. Now column, you can see column, scope, data type, value, namespace, range, event when variable value changes. Date if any variable value is going to be changed, then you should need to know the value. Then you should check this checkbox over here. Then expression. Okay. So first of all, we are going to show you the system variables. After click on this, now you can see we are able to view all the system variables. These are generated with the package creation time. Okay. Now I am just going over here and uncheck this option. Now I am going to add a variable like str message, and there is a scope that is project level scope, and that value is a string. Now I am going to say change it hello world. Okay, now I have passed the value as a hello world over here, or I can uncheck this like this. Okay, now I need to read this value. So in previous section we were talking about skip task. So just right click on the skip task in the read only variable property. Just pass this value. Okay, and click on edit script. And now you can see a new window, Visual Vista project window has been opened. That is a separate project. In this project you can see that is system generated namespace name, and now we need to read this value over here. For this we are using message box dot show that is tts dot variables, then variable name, Now variable name here. Uh, we should keep in mind that variable name should be the same as we declared, because it is very case sensitive language, and because value written in an object and we need to change the object to the string. That's why we are convert this into the string. Now just save the project and close the project window. Now we are back on our script task editor window. Now click on OK button. Now we have passed the variable value to our script task to show out. Now just execute our project. Now you can see the value has been changed. Now we need to pass this value to another variable, means we need to write value to a variable. So we need to create another variable like str get message. Okay, now it should be string type, data type should be string, and we are not passing any value to it. So we are going to back our script task and just pass this value over here, that is get message. Okay, now we are going to our edit script window again. Now in this window you can see we have already a read variable. Now we need to pass this read variable to our write variable. So in this case what we are going to do here, we are using the same thing over here, and the variable name is str get message. Okay, dot value equal to, now we are passing our actual value from here. Okay, now we have set the value for this, and we want after that we need to show this value again. So and we are going to show this message again over here. Just copy this and paste over here, and now what we are going to do here, we are passing this variable value which is getting from the previous one variable, and click on save button for the project and close this window, and in script editor task window click on OK button and execute our package again. Now you can see we have passed, that is our first variable value. After that we are getting the second variable value. Okay, so it is very easy how to use a variable and pass on the values as per our program's need. Then use this value in the further components. So please subscribe my YouTube